Hello viewers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find Yahoo email password. So first of all, open Yahoo email, tap onto plus icon, new tab, look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon, go to manage your Google account, click on security option, manage password, select the Yahoo, and first verify you enter your password. Okay, now finally shown here to my Yahoo username and password. Just click onto icon, then shown here to password. So that's how we can easily find Yahoo email password.